Grouping devices in Ventana makes it easier to manage Pocketalk across departments, locations, or functions. It also lets you apply security settings and permissions in bulk. To create a group, go to Device Manager, Groups, and click Create Group. Name your group and save it. Next, link devices and users. Click Manage Group. Select the Pocketalk devices and Ventana users you want to add, then click Update. Once your group is set up, you can manage permissions. Under Remote Settings, you can set a PIN code for all devices, auto-delete translation history after a set period, enable business mode to restrict certain features and control camera access. And you can register Wi-Fi settings in bulk, making deployment easier. By default, new devices are ungrouped when added to Ventana, but you can still adjust settings for all ungrouped devices. Grouping devices is optional, but helps streamline management, improve security, and maintain compliance, all from one centralized dashboard.